Today I'm going to conduct a qualitative analysis to find proteins in egg white. For safety, put on protective eyewear and gloves. And keep a bowl of water nearby during the experiment. Plus, conduct this experiment on a plastic tray. Prepare the egg white. It consists mostly of water and ovalbumin protein. We won't need the yolk for this experiment. First, you have to crack the egg. Once the egg white has been separated from the egg yolk, take 2 milliliters of egg white and put it in the metal cup. In order to make a yolk out of an egg white, we'll need nitric acid. Let's synthesize it with a reaction between calcium nitrate and sodium hydrogen sulfate. Take 1 big spoon of calcium nitrate and 1 big spoon of sodium hydrogen sulfate. Now you have to stir it up. The reaction with nitric acid is a qualitative test for the detection of proteins. The reaction requires heating. Now, we have to wait for 5 minutes. Now it's time to remove it from heating. Adding sodium carbonate will create basic conditions which boost the color. 3 to 4 drops. 1, 2, 3. And it worked. It did boost the color. It transformed it into an orange. Chemists often need a yes or no answer to a problem. For instance, is the acidity of a medium over or below a certain limit? Is a target substance present in a solution? And so on. Reactions that help to answer these questions are called qualitative tests. For example, with nitric acid, we can determine whether there are proteins in the solution. Orange coloration means yes, and its absence means no. Today's experiment was brought to you by MEL